Wanna learn how to fix your login error on a KakaoStory app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I have already installed KakaoStory app on my phone. You can also do the same by going to your App Store or Play Store. Today, I'll tell you 6 of the ways to fix your login error. The very first one is to have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes, weak Wi-Fi connection could also be the reason of you facing the login error on a KakaoStory app, so make sure to have a stronger one. The second one is to go to your App Store or Play Store, just like me, and then tap on the search for apps and games option on the top. Enter here KakaoStory and search for this particular app. You can see that here are 2 of the options, that is uninstall and open. Sometimes you may get an option of update instead of open. That means this app is particularly giving you a notice of updating your app. Unupdated app could also be the reason of you facing the login error. So simply, if you do have an option of update, try tapping on update and make sure to make your app updated. This can also help you fix your login error on a KakaoStory app. The third one is to go to the settings of your phone and reach to the point where you can clear the cache of KakaoStory app. Clearing the cache will remove all of the unrequired filthy chunks related to this particular app. Different cell phones could have different ways to reach there. If you have a cell phone like mine, go to settings, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on manage apps, tap on the search bar, enter here KakaoStory and search for this particular app. On the bottom, you can see 3 of the options, that is force stop, uninstall and clear data. Tap on clear data on the bottom right, tap on clear cache, tap on OK. So clearing the cache could also help you fix your login error. The fourth one is to force stop KakaoStory app. You can see that force stop option is currently not available because I had used this option before, but you may have this option on your phone. If you do have it, make sure to tap on force stop on the bottom left corner, and you'll notice that a notification just pops out on your screen which will tell you that if you force stop an app, it may misbehave. But I'd love to tell you one thing, that force stop feature in Android is a good method to stop a running Android application if it's not functioning well. Force stop breaks the running application code string so that it can be removed from the phone memory. Then it clears the app cache memory and lets your app start in a fresh way. So make sure to use it so that you can start your app in a fresh way. The fifth one is to uninstall your KakaoStory app. Just like this, tap on uninstall and go to your App Store or Play Store and reinstall this app. Reinstalling this app will also help you fix your login error because, as I've just told you before, that running apps in the background could also be the reason of you facing the login error. So if you just uninstall it, all of the problems related to this app may disappear. So make sure to use it. The sixth and the final one is to restart your phone. Restarting your phone could also help you fix your login error because sometimes on an Android phone or an iOS phone, the running application on the background could also be the reason of you facing the login error, as I've already told you that. So restarting the phone could help you start your phone in a fresh way. Make sure to use it as well. So I have just told you 6 of the ways to fix your login error. You can try all of them. I hope it works for you. If you are going to use it effectively, it will definitely. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.